What's up, everybody? This is GreyMan here with another Geared Up Wednesday. So we're going to dive into a couple foldable saws, things that you can throw in your pack. We got the Ozark Trail from good old Wally World, as they say, and then we have the Silky PocketBoy. Now, I tried to do a great comparison in the two because I wanted to make sure that the saw blades themselves are going to be basically similar in size. If you can see that, then they're next to each other. So, to me, this should be an accurate test. Again, this is my opinion, but we'll see how they work. So let's go ahead and dive into this. What's up, everybody? I was happened to walk past this little spot here, and I just thought, man, this is what I enjoy about Geared Up Wednesdays, is the scenery that I come across. It makes me appreciate Mother Nature. I mean, what do you guys think? You know, go ahead and drop it down in the comments and let me know what you think about this scenery. Sometimes I just gotta say, I love Florida, man. There's some gorgeous stuff out here. Check this out. I don't know, what do you guys think? I think it's absolutely beautiful. Anyways, we're gonna go ahead and finish up this gear review or get it started. But I just happened to be walking past and I was just like, man, I gotta share this with you folks. I think it's awesome. So I'll see you guys here in a few minutes. What's up, everybody? Okay, here we go. So I found a nice little spot, a nice little tree that we can test these two saws out on. Again, we have the Silky and we have the Ozark Trail. I'll do some close-ups of these two here to kind of like give you at least a good idea of how they look up close, the teeth, and all that stuff like that. But roughly they're the same size. We're gonna try. I'm not gonna bore you guys too much with the sawing. I'm gonna get some close-ups of that and kind of show you how they cut into the wood and how fast they are, and then we'll dive into the logistics in regards to these. You know, let's say size, weight, price point, and stuff like that. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into it. All right, so we are going to use this Ozark. And funny enough, this is like take 3. Just throw that in there, because either the camera doesn't record or something goes sideways. Anyways, this is the Ozark Trail foldable saw, you know, in about a 3-inch, maybe a little smaller, 2.5 to 3-inch pine. Now, I know this pine is moving around, so you guys will have to forgive that, but I'm going to do the best I can. But we're going to try to just run this here and see how long it takes to cut off, if it even will cut off. Alright, wish me luck. I'm kind of getting it's like not really going any further. It's gotten maybe a 1/2 inch in and it doesn't seem to want to cut anymore. Like I'm just running it and it doesn't feel like it's moving at all. I'm going to give it a little bit more and see what's up. It's stuck. It won't go past that spot. As I apply pressure, it just seems like it's going against nothing. It's not cutting through. And I know it might be the sap and some other stuff, but it's stuck. I don't know, man. So far, I'm not liking it. It's kind of trash. Anyways, let's see what the Silky can do. And you can tell the Silky, I've been using that as well. But, so what we're going to do is, this is where the Ozark Trail was cutting. We're going to come right below that and run this Silky and see how it does. Same wood, same thickness, but we'll be using the Silky. Let's have at it. So far it's like butter. Getting a little pressure there. That's probably my fault. Did you guys see that? Little to no effort, other than when I accidentally pulled the saw blade back. Ripped right through that. Instantly. Hands down, the Silky is killing the game. I love this thing. This is the PocketBoy 170. Hands down, it is killing the game when it comes to a foldable, portable saw. Compared to the Ozark Walmart brand, hands down the Silky has it. All day, any day. Little to no effort. I'm just impressed how fast that ran through that. Nice and smooth too. Nice and smooth. Ran right through that, nice and smooth. Now, being that this is pine, it's all sticky with resin. So what I do is I take these pieces home and I save them and use it down the road, the resin, for fatwood and other stuff like that. Maybe I'll do a video on that down the road. A lot of you guys know what that is, but these pines, you cut them off, the sap runs up, bleeds over, and then you know, you give it a few months, chop it, and then it'll do it again and again and again. But anyways, that's a different video. Hands down, the Silky has it. That's my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. So for those of you guys who decided to stay, let me give you a quick look at my little area and what I did for production, trying to you know, basically come out here in the woods and do this review. Let me know what you guys think. Let me switch this camera around and we'll go from there. So before I get into that, kind of show you my surroundings, that this isn't not just somebody's backyard. But yeah, so there's my camera bag. There's my get home bag and my all around bag, and I keep all my equipment in. Here's my camera setup with the mic and all that fun stuff like that, with that tripod. Then over here we have this tripod, which is where I put the phone at when I'm using it. And then over here is where we were kind of doing the review at for the two saws. Just a little behind the scene footage, kind of get you guys, I don't know, if you guys ever wanted to know, you know. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my little area. Beautiful day out. But yeah, that's my my little area and what I'm doing out here. And now I got to clean everything up and pack everything up and call it, you know what I mean? Get home and do all the editing. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed that, man. I did. Trying to get the sun out of my eyes. Maybe you guys a little better view of me there. But anyways, thanks for you guys who hung out for the behind the scenes kind of quick look. What it takes to do some of these videos. I appreciate it. Love you guys. Hope to see everyone. Was it tomorrow night at 10:30? I'll be live. As long as no one else is going live at that time, I shouldn't be. But tomorrow's Thursday. We'll discuss a few things. I'm probably going to have to do a standalone video for the giveaway for the bug out bag, so that most of you guys who are watching this, who stuck to the end and watched the behind the scenes footage, I will be doing a standalone video for the bug out bag, which is the bag that I just showed you that's on the ground. I'll do pictures and I'll go through all that, but it'll probably be like a 3 to 5 minute video, hopefully, in regards to the giveaway for the bug out bag that I'm going to be giving away here in about a week or so. And then for you members, any of the members that have joined on the members tab, if you notice, I changed a few things. The first tier for $1.99 is Grey Family. The second tier is the Grey Nation. So I have the Grey Family, the Grey Nation, and then of course you guys are pretty well aware, the G-Spot at the high-end tier. Anyways, so I'll be doing the members only giveaway for that. And that most of you guys know I'll be giving away for the members only. It'll be a Becker BK2 knife, or it'll be the Gerber Strong Arm knife. And some of my two favorites. They both have their pros and cons, so we'll dig into them in a review down the road. But that'll be the members only giveaway, and then the bug out bag giveaway, I will be doing that one first and putting that out. Hopefully I'll probably create a video maybe tonight and slip it in maybe either Thursday morning or Friday morning with all the instructions in regards to the giveaway, because I went live and it kind of got crazy, and so I think I need to do a standalone video for the giveaway. All right, guys. This is GreyMan. You guys enjoy the rest of your day. If hopefully I get this finished by the end of the day. But anyways, good night or good day. Man, I'm getting confused. Oh boy, can you tell I'm exhausted? It's out here. It's hot. Anyways, GreyMan, I'm out. God bless. See you guys on the rebound.